Good morning, guys. So the sun is just coming up and today is the day we are taking our little road trip up to the Smokey Mountains. Yesterday, Will went to pick up our rental car because we don't want to put the miles on our cars, and there was a teensy problem with our reservation. Ta-da! We are driving a minivan. Yeah, a minivan. So we're just gonna rock it. Look at you driving a minivan.
Pretty good at it.
So it's like 2 o'clock and we are definitely hungry. And it was only about a 20-minute detour to go to Truett's Luau, aka the Hawaiian Chick-fil-A. So we are so excited to go there. I did learn though that the drive-through line can be super duper long from my friend Jazzy's video. So we are going to do what she did and do curbside. We will show you guys what we get. Alright, so we got quite a lot of stuff, but curbside is definitely the way to go. We ordered like 10 minutes before we got here. The line for the drive-thru was wrapped around the building, absolutely insane, but they had a pretty good system down, and our person came right on out and we got our food. So we just got Will a big sweet tea, me a lemonade, our 2 favorites. So we had to try the sweet potato fries. We already got into them. They are really good, but I am a fan of sweet potato fries, so I knew I was gonna love them. They're a little salty, and then there is a hint of cinnamon. You like them too, right, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay. All right, this is the Luau burger. It looks like it has bacon, Colby Jack, and then a pineapple at the bottom. So that should be interesting. Yeah.
Not Call of Duty.
Ooh, it smells fishy. I'm not a fan of fish, but Will got this fried cod sandwich, and it looks like it has some coleslaw at the bottom. We're kind of just gonna split everything because, well, minus this fish, but we wanted to try a little bit of everything. And then we got the grilled pineapple. Oh, Will saying, What are you ooming?
The cod. It's really good.
We also got these grilled pineapple tacos, the chicken ones. And then we, of course, had to try the tropical nuggets. Yay! Eating time. Okay. Will's already going for it. Alright, I'm gonna try the tropical nuggets. This is what I'm excited about. Smells like Polynesian. Ooh, I actually really like it. It has a little kick to it. You wanna try one, babe?
Yeah.
Here. Good, right? Spicy sweet.
It's like it's still Chick-fil-A, but it's different.
Yep. So true. Okay, I want to try these tacos.
Give me a bite.
I will. I gotta cleanse my palate. Okay, this is good. This is spicy, honey.
Is it?
Yeah, just so you know. That one's yours. Okay, tacos definitely spicy. Similar or maybe the same sauce as the nuggets. I'm not sure. Good or too spicy?
It's kicking.
It is kicking. Ooh.
Kicking like fried chicken.
It's grilled chicken.
Never mind. Okay, so now all we gotta do is type in the address to where we're going. Wasn't there like special directions or whatever on the website? Because they were saying like Google Maps don't take you to the right spot or something.
Yeah, we gotta go to like the downtown area, like the mini Main Street or whatever. And then she gave us directions. GPS doesn't do it right.
Okay.
We still have to try that burger.
Woo! Okay.
All right, burger time. Oh, you're not getting his pondering face over here. It just seems weird to have a burger at Chick-fil-A. I mean, eat more chicken, you know? That's the whole thing. So that's why I'm just not sure about the burger.
No cows here. No billboard cows here.
I know. What do you think? You gonna make me try it before you tell me?
Yep.
Uh-oh, you don't like it then.
I'm also full. Getting full. It's okay.
I mean, I just think I don't like pineapple on a burger. So maybe you take the pineapple off. It'd just be a burger.
Whose idea was this? Give me a name.
Truett, probably.
Oh.
You're gonna go confront him.
What is this abomination? Sir.
Hey, he had the great idea of the rest of these things, so, you know.
Yeah, the sweet potato fries are pretty sweet.
Yeah, I like the sweet potato fries and the nuggets. And I really did like those tacos, actually.
Yeah, a little spicy, but good.
Yeah, but if you like spicy.
I like the cod sandwich, but I like fish, so that makes sense.
Oh yeah, true. You did like that. So everything was good, just the burger was And apparently there's a lot of other options when they're fully open, but because everything, there's like half the menu, so.
They probably have stuffed pork, pulled.
Stuffed pork. What is in this? The burger. What do you think about the burger?
The booger.
I think I'm gonna take the pineapple off and eat some of it. Because you had a whole cod sandwich, I didn't.
You're right.
Is it okay if I take this off?
Of course. Alright, now it's time for the review without the pineapple.
Oh. Oh, we're doing that? Here, I just feel like I don't have anywhere to put
It's
that
not
thing.
just sweet, but it still has beef.
Well, you know, that'd be accurate. You know what's funny? I use sauce on everything. I haven't been using it on this. Did I already say that? Probably already said that.
I don't remember. Not the best one to ask what you just said.
So true.
Right? Yeah. That
Don't
wasn't a
taste
yes
like
or no
pineapple.
It does.
Mm-hmm. Alrighty, so we are at our Airbnb and the cabin is so cute. I can't wait to show you guys. We did have a teensy bit of an issue getting here, but you know what? That is just part of the mountain experience. Back roads. So we're here. Please ignore our lovely minivan. However, this is our cabin and it's so nice. We're at the end of a road, so we're kind of far from all the other cabins. So you open up the door and it's this nice big kitchen with a little breakfast nook over here. And it's actually pretty big for an Airbnb and the appliances are really nice. I'm pumped about a gas stove. Haven't really used one since, I don't know, forever. And then there's a big island in the middle, cute pendant lighting. And then you have the living room. I think it's an electric fireplace. Definitely all the cabin vibes with the decor. And Will loves bears. If you know, you know. And then you come down this hallway and into the first bathroom. Has a shower. And this is a new build, so everything is like so clean. And in this bathroom, it does have a full washer dryer, which is so nice when you're traveling. And then across the hall, you have the master bedroom. King size bed, and it's super comfy. Yes, Will's excited about that. Nice big closet. And then in here, why is the light off? You have another bathroom with another full-size shower. And then you do have another bedroom with a queen-size mattress. And then for the best part, right babe? We are gonna go back to the front door. There is a huge wraparound porch. This is probably what I'm most excited about. Beautiful, and if it rains, we still have a cover to hang out under. And back here is this wonderful fire pit. Some more city, if you ask me. And there's nobody behind us. I'm hoping we can get some birds and see a little bit of wildlife, so we will see. Okay, so we settled in and unpacked, and I never have time to make homemade bread at home, and we think it'll be perfect for our sandwiches this week, so I'm gonna make it. And don't call me crazy, but we brought my stand mixer from home because last minute I realized they probably don't have one. Don't make fun of me. Instead of looking up the recipe, I'm actually just going to pull up my video and make it with myself. Good morning, guys. We just had our coffee and now we are on our way for our first hiking day. We decided to do one that is kind of near us, even though it's still an hour-and-a-half drive because mountain roads and you have to go around things and whatnot. The hike is called Snowbird Creek Trail and it is in the how do we say that?
Nantahala.
I don't know. We need to Google it and I'll put it on the screen. Nantahala, I believe, Forest. And it is about 13 miles long and it seems like it has quite a few little water features and then one main waterfall. But we're excited. We have our little long sleeve UV protected shirts on to help with sun and bugs. And we kind of look like highlighters, actually. Can't lose us in the forest, that's for sure. Wild Man Will decided to go down this hill. You guys can see the creek coming down here, hopefully. So far the trail's been following along this creek. I'm assuming it's Snowbird Creek with the name of the trail and all. It is just, it's gorgeous out here. Oh, ignore this. I added a bandana because when I was little, I got a tick behind my ear. And since then I've been scarred. So we are rocking this get up today. Here he comes, coming back up. Oh, and Will found literally the best walking stick ever. Perfect height for him. Too slippery for me?
Yeah.
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 I'll get the next one.
Yeah. Woo! That was great.
Here, let's show off your stick here. Yeah.
Reliable. Right on the edge of the trail. And I'm walking in the bush. It's great.
Those bugs getting you.
Yeah.
Let's go.
You're doing good, Lane.
Okay, so voiceover Elena here because the waterfall was super duper loud. I couldn't do an update while we were here, but the waterfall was way bigger and way better than we had anticipated. Oh, and in 3, 2, 1, I fall. Fun stuff. Now I'm nervous. We decided to have our lunch here on the rock next to the falls, and then Will went up and played on the rocks, you know, as a William would do. But you guys did see that we had some fruit by the foot. I mentioned this in my packing video as well. It's kind of a little hiking tradition for me. It all started when I went out west with my brother and my Uncle Tom. And every hike when we got to the summit or to the waterfall, we would have a fruit by the foot. And I never really thought anything of it at the time. But looking back, my uncle was a genius. Because when you get to the summit and the waterfall, sometimes you look around and you're like, wow, this is beautiful. Okay, what's next? Especially as a kid. But instead, we would sit down, eat our fruit roll-up, enjoy our time there, and enjoy the scenery. And it just really created a lot of great memories for me. So I really do want to make it a tradition for our family. On every hike, you get a fruit roll-up. So it was kind of drizzly out and we decided just to have a lazy day at the cabin. Next thing I know, Will comes out wearing a red shirt and announces, "It's a Christmas party," and puts on Christmas music. It was so much fun. We were singing along all day. So I originally wanted to go to a winery and do the winery tour and then sit down, have a glass of wine and order a charcuterie board because I've never really had one, but COVID had other ideas for us. So I'm just going to make our own charcuterie board here. Thinking back, I should have brought a cute little cheese plate and little bowls from home, but it's not that big of a deal. I'm just gonna have to get a little bit creative, so we'll see what I come up with. So it is the next morning and we are on our way to the Smokey Mountain National Park, and we are just now about halfway through our trip, and I already have so much footage it's going to be hard to cut it down into one video. So I'm going to go ahead and end part 1 right now, and I'll see you guys next week in the Smokey Mountains.